Hey everybody, Philippe here with Fontana Ovens and Grills, wanting to talk to you about our Black Friday special this year. So from the 21st through the 25th, we are for the first time ever adding a site-wide discount of 10 to 15% depending on the item. Our Maestro 60 is discounted by about 15% already. Everything else will be discounted by 10%. The prices are slashed. Now, we've never done this before. On top of that, if you put in the code Black Friday 22 and add this amazing leather apron to your cart, you will get this for free. This has a retail value of $300. It is a fantastic product. It has straps, leather straps that go all the way across the back. It has pockets to be able to hold things, your towel rack, the entire 9 yards. So for a pizzaiolo, the home grill master or weekend warrior, this tanned leather apron is a phenomenal accessory. So make sure to take advantage of that during this next week of Black Friday special from the 21st through the 25th. We appreciate your business and your support. Have a wonderful weekend.